Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Zone. My name is Lakshmikant and you are watching the series of basic program. In my last video, we have seen the to find the given year is leap or not. So today I will cover the another program, that is the reverse of the number from the given number. So here is a list of our basic program series which is going on. So we are on the sixth number. Okay, so reverse number. So what is the reverse number? So reverse number is the number from that the given number. Okay, so uh, we write that the number from last digit to the first digit, so we change the sequence. Suppose for example, uh, we take the number as a 4567. Okay, so what is the reverse of it? Its reverse is nothing but the 7654. So in given number, 4 is nothing but the first digit and 7 is the last digit, so order is 7654. Okay, but this is the just the definition, or is just we can say it's the simple words reverse number. But programmatically, how we can integrate, how we can build the logic behind that. So okay, so let's begin. I am PHP developer, so I will write a program in PHP. So open the editor. Take the variable and assign the, suppose we are considering the same number which we have seen in the PPT. So to build any logic, we have to hand run that the program. Okay, means we can say we can just think in mind and what will be the output, doing some calculation in mind, and that is nothing but the hand run that the program. Okay, so to calculate the uh, calculate in the sense to print that the given number into the reverse format, so we use the two operator. One is the mod and another one is the slash, forward slash, that is the nothing but the divide operator. So mod is used to get the remainder, mod is for to get the remainder, and slash is used to get the quotient. Okay, so before move ahead to write the rest of the lines code, so we save this file. So already XAMPP is installed, so XAMPP is nothing but the environment for the PHP to run it. So under the htdocs program list folder I already created, I just saved the my file. Any PHP file should save with the .php extension. Let's start the logic. So we are considering the $num variable. So first we need to just divide it, so means mod 10. So in this case we will get the 7. Okay, because once we divide this dollar name by the 10, okay, at the plus value is 40, then 50, and then 60, and last 7, so it will not divide by this. Okay, so at that the case, so we get the 7, but we need the now to divide the 456, okay, with the mod 10. Okay, so in this case what we want that the 6 as a remainder, then 5, and then 4. So what we can do, so we can use the another operator like the divide. So dollar name we can divide with the 10. So in this case we will get the quotient. So in this case the quotient will be the 456, like this. Okay, so again, suppose we divide the dollar num mod 10, so in this case we should get the 6. And again for the next, suppose we go with the divide, just I'm just going to write, then we need that the 45, then the 4, and so on, like this. Okay, so we need that the sequence, but it should not be less than the 1. It always the greater than or equal to 1. So what we can do, we can consider one loop here. We can build such a logic. Suppose I am taking one variable $US dollar num. First we get the remainder by applying the mod operator, then the number itself we divide by the 10. So in this case we will get the quotient, right? And here we will get the remainder. So for the next, suppose for this the place in dollar num we have the 4567 and remainder as a 7, and we get the quotient in this case 4 by 6. So in next step what would happen, 4 5 6 will get assigned and 6 we will get again. Here we'll get the 4 5 again, in that case 4 5, so question will get the 5 like this, okay, and so on. Okay, so in this way until the number that is the, it should be greater than the 1, else what would happen, it goes to the point like 0 or 0 point. Okay, so here we can put the condition like dollar num always be greater than equal to 1. So here we can do one thing, we echo the statement. So echo is using PHP to print any text or the statement we can say. So given number is dollar num and concatenate with another string, that is the, suppose is the bear tag, reverse of given number is. So what will be, what are the output after this one? Okay, so it goes to the next line, that is the bear tag we are writing in between, and then it will print the reverse. So to print at the reverse, what we can do, we can just print this variable, that is dollar array. Okay, just save it and run it. To run this the program, I told you that I already describe in my Fibonacci series program. So example is there, we need this type of the control panel, we need to start the Apache. Okay, so we already saved this the program and just open the browser, type here http localhost and your the program folder. My program folder in the program list, so just enter it. You can find the reverse.php file name, click on it. So given number is 4567, so reverse of given number is 7654. So what we did, we just consider a number, and here we apply the logic, that is the mod 10. Here we get to get the remainder, then again we get the quotient, and then again quotient gets to assign, and so on, so till that the dollar num greater than or equal to 1. So in this way we get the reuse of the given number. So that's it from this the program. I hope you understand this program. If you like this video, please share with your friends and please subscribe my channel, so you will get the notification on such program learning videos. And thanks for watching.